Good morning. Today's topic is the inertia tensor and the moment of inertia. Okay, so the topic is the inertia tensor and moment of inertia. So we all know what is meant by inertia. Inertia का meaning होता है the capacity of a body to continue in motion even after the external force is removed. That is called as inertia. So इनर्शिया का मतलब होता है कि कोई बॉडी उसके ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई होने के बाद जब आप फोर्स को स्टॉप भी कर दें, स्टिल इफ इट कंटिन्यूज टू बी इन अ स्टेट ऑफ मोशन, देन दैट मोशन इज ड्यू टू इट्स इनर्शिया. ओके, so consider a linear operator that transforms omega into L. So when we are studying inertia, so let us first consider linear operator. Let us consider a linear operator that transforms omega into L. Now we already know कि ओमेगा क्या होता है. तो ओमेगा is the transformation of the whole system in, it is represented by omega. तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ होल सिस्टम या तो पॉइजन्स ब्रैकेट के थ्रू कर सकते या जैकोबियंस के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस कर सकते, उसको हमने ओमेगा के साथ डिनोट किया. नाउ फॉर दिस पर्पस द मैट्रिक्स हैज अ सेकेंड रैंक टेंसर फॉर इनर्शिया. अब जब हम ओमेगा के बारे में बात करेंगे तो दैट मीन्स वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द जैकोबियन एंड द जैकोबियन इज अ मैट्रिक्स. सो द मैट्रिक्स I has a second rank tensor. Now rank of a matrix is number of non-zero rows and columns. ठीक है, तो उसका रैंक जो रहेगा वो सेकेंड ऑर्डर है एंड द क्वांटिटी I इज देयरफॉर. अगर देयरफॉर द मैट्रिक्स I will be of rank 2. It will be of rank 2. ठीक है, this rank which is determined by the tensor is called as inertia tensor. This is moment of inertia tensor. ठीक है, so the tensor या the quantity used to determine the rank of the Jacobian या the rank of the tensor, the rank of the matrix is called as inertia tensor. It is called as inertia tensor. Now when we are talking about Lagrangian L, that means we are talking about kinetic energy. So therefore the kinetic energy K is equals to half mi vi square. Now half mi vi square, where v is the velocity. V is the velocity for ith particle. For the ith particle. ठीक है. Now for any particles, you know that velocity vector is represented by omega cross ri. हमने पुराने जो आर्टिकल्स थे उसमें हमने देखा था कि ओमेगा v इक्वल्स टू ओमेगा क्रॉस आर आई. दैट मीन्स वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ith पार्टिकल विल बी ओमेगा क्रॉस आर आई. नाउ if we write kinetic energy, and now I am writing kinetic energy equals to T is equals to half mi vi square. तो half mi vi square, तो vi into vi, I can write vi into vi, and for that vi we are writing omega cross ri. Now this equation is the perturbing the vector in the triple dot product. Now you know that this here it will be a dot product and this is the cross product. So that means I can write T equals to omega by 2 ri cross vi or mi as it is, because dot and cross product are interchangeable. So therefore you write T equals to omega by 2 ri cross vi into mi. Again I can write this as T equals to omega by 2 mi ri cross vi. Now this quantity was only for some vector I for the ith particle. अगर हमने ऐसे बहुत सारे ith पार्टिकल को एक साथ अगर हमें कंसिडर करना है, then we will have to consider the quantity summed. The quantity summed over I will be recognized as the angular momentum. For a single particle it was only velocity, but for all the summation of particles it is the angular velocity. This means that the particles are performing a circular motion. Now it is in angular the velocity is angular velocity, then the momentum is angular momentum. If it is an angular momentum, then it has some origin. The angular momentum of the body about the origin, because अगर सर्कल में है तो उसका एक सेंटर पॉइंट होगा, so that is about the origin, and in consequence the kinetic energy can be written as. Now if you have stated that the velocity vector when summed becomes the angular velocities, becomes the angular momentum, then the kinetic energy can be rewritten या written. It can be written in the form. Now when you have stated that the velocity is replaced by angular momentum for the summation of particles, then the kinetic energy will become T is equals to omega dot L by 2. Omega by 2 and mi ri cross vi. तो mi तो मास था, ri क्रॉस vi, दिस इज नथिंग बट द लैग्रेंजियन ऑफ द सिस्टम. तो t is equals to omega dot L by 2. Again this L या this Lagrangian is derived for, this Lagrangian L was derived for omega. हमने L ओमेगा को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया था L के ऊपर, तो हम लिखेंगे ओमेगा डॉट दिस Lagrangian will be the Jacobian with respect to omega by 2. So here you get T is equals to omega I omega by 2. Now I omega by 2. Now this omega it will be written as I omega square by 2. Now this I is an identity matrix. Now this identity matrix can be of the form nth row nth columns. So I can write that T is equals to omega square by 2 into n times in. Now in is nothing but number of rows and number of columns. So again it will be written as 1 by 2 into omega square. Now in क्योंकि ये आइडेंटिटी वेक्टर है तो आइडेंटिटी वेक्टर अगेन्स गेट रिप्लेस्ड बाय हाफ ओमेगा स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस I identity matrix is n dot in. It is n dot in. Now n dot in your I, the matrix is of the form mi ri square minus ri into n the whole square, where you get this equation. This equation is the equation of tensor ri square minus ri into n the whole square या हाफ mv square, या तो फिर हम बोल सकते हैं कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी माइनस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. तो इट विल बी I is equals to mi ri square minus ri into n square, and this equation is known as the moment of inertia about the axis of rotation. This is moment of inertia about axis of rotation.